Hi, welcome to Drive with Care, part 2 of my excursion while I'm out. We're going to go from Caple Le Ferne down into Folkestone. I think it was Little Cottage GB that left a comment saying, I hope you do some more Folkestone drives. Well, here's another one. Let's get the aircon on. Temperature is only 21 degrees out there today. It was 31 degrees when I did another video recently. Eastry Village. Boy, did I perspire. Link up here. If you're interested in that and you haven't seen it, let me encourage you to click away. But we'll go along this little road here at the back of Caple Le Ferne, past the Clifftop Cafe, and then jump on the main road. Bouncy, bouncy. And then, oh look, got one of these paraglider things. Do they have little engines on them? You would not see me up in there in one of them. That's way too risky for my liking. One of those cable snaps. You're a goner, aren't you? No parachute. Maybe that's the adrenaline of it all. You know, the rush. There's another one way over there. There's the Clifftop Cafe. Pedestrians walking their dog. And because they're out in the middle of the road, I shall give way. Because pedestrians have a right of way now, don't they, on the main roads? Look at the little dashwood. This must be retirement heaven. Take your dog for a walk. We've got a cyclist up ahead. I suspect I will not be able to pass because he'll be at the cars by the time I get to him. He's waving me on. He's got some kind of pirate hat on. Army arties. Able Seaman Stains. Oh dear, unless it's masturbates, but we won't go there. Oh, I do make myself laugh sometimes. Come on, concentrate. You're driving a car. Oncoming traffic. Pedestrian with a stick. Dog walker. I'm currently doing about 18 miles an hour. This is a 20 zone. We've got some hazard lights on with the recovery vehicle. Caple Garage, the vehicle's sticking out on the road. Oncoming traffic, give way. Get on the main A20. This is the old A20, isn't it? Or is it the B2011? My sat-nav says it's the B2011. It still thinks I'm going to West Huffham, where I was last time. Car coming. All clear. I didn't indicate. How remiss of me. That's not like me, is it? Hey ho. Thankfully there was no one around, so I wasn't confusing anyone with my left-hand manoeuvre. 40 miles an hour zone we're in. I would have joined the road as a 40. Where shall I go to get to Folkestone? Let's go down the Dover Road, cut through, end up on Blackpool Road, I think. And then get into Folkestone that way. Of course, I could just turn left at the bottom of this hill and go down the Dover Road anyway. No, we'll go to the next roundabout. We'll do a bit of the old dual carriageway nonsense. Escape lane on the left, if needed. apart from the gentle knocking, my car seems to be running fine at the moment. I checked my fluid levels this morning because Visit Turquoise and Blue, who leaves lovely comments, had mentioned that I should check my clutch fluid because I mentioned in a previous video how the clutch pedal dropped and it wouldn't come back up, but I pumped it a few times and it went fine. It may have been the heat and maybe the level had dropped. I've got to get myself some .4 fluid, so I shall do that this weekend. I'm going across, so I'm not indicating, but I will indicate off. We are in a 30 zone. This dual carriageway is a 30. Do not be confused. Two options here: turn left down Canterbury Road and Blackpool Road, head to the station into town, or go across the roundabout past Park Farm. Now, I had this as my intended route, so this is what I'm going to do. So now we're doing a little bit of Folkestone. Keeping my eyes peeled for hazards, cars at junctions, pedestrians, all of that kind of thing. There is a car waiting at the junction, but I don't think it'll pull out. Go this way and join the one-way system onto a one-way street. School sign. Not sure where the school is here though. I'm not indicating because the lane goes left anyway. Two-way traffic. Whenever you come off a one-way system, be it a dual carriageway or like they're a one-way street, the sign will always then tell you two-way traffic, and that says one-way system has ended. So rather than a one-way sign with a red arrow through it, they give you the two-way traffic sign, don't they? Oh no, roadworks. This could have been fatal. I might have to do a lot of editing now. Hooray for editing. I don't know where the, oh, the lights are actually here. I think it's something like a four-way controlled traffic system. Yeah, four-way control. Which means that you would have a long wait. Thankfully, I joined it just at the end. Oh, we're going round the roundabout the wrong way. This feels awkwardly weird. I'm not indicating because, you know, they're resurfacing the roundabout. Oh, they've taken the traffic island away. Wonder if they're going to replace it or if that's it gone forever. think it's probably gone forever, don't you? Zebra crossing's closed. I won't go down there because that would take me all the way around Middleburg Square, but we can go down Castle Hill Avenue, and turn left on Sandgate Road, head into town that way. See what happens when you have one road is blocked, all this congestion. Fiesta wasn't sure what it wanted to do. I'm going across, so no indicating until I go off the roundabout. I'll definitely not be coming back this way to go home. One-way street. Folkestone in summer. It does look rather pretty. I love that it's such an old town, but it has a modernity about it, a feel of it's not been left behind in old world. All these old Edwardian and Victorian buildings. I think what I'll do is go down towards where McDonald's is and then take the back road that goes up towards the Lees Cliff Hall and stop the video there, which means it's not a 5 to 8, 10-minute video. It's obviously longer now. But, yeah, we love to drive, don't we? When that sun shines, it's a strange and different kind of light, isn't it? The way it's shining on those buildings. It's got a Pizza Hut there. I didn't even know we had a Pizza Hut in Folkestone. Folkestone. Some people call it Folkestone. Bus is stopped. Learner driver didn't want to go past, but I did, and I did. One-way street, pedestrians, cars parked. Lights are changing. They're doing up the bank. I wonder if it will no longer be a bank. Maybe someone else has bought the property. Hey, wouldn't it be good if you turned that into a little local hotel? Don't know what they're going to turn that into if the bank has vacated and it's no longer going to be a bank. Remembrance Road, or Road of Remembrance, whatever it's called, still closed. I don't think they'll ever open that again. Maybe they should just cordon it off for good. You know, take this, make it a no entry. One-way system. Up to the Lees Cliff Hall, finish the video. How about that? Got pedestrians walking in the road. Oh, they've cordoned that off. I wonder what they're building there. Unless it's just a place to hold all their gear while they're building this new block of flats. And drive up the Lees Cliff. £1 million apartments. And lovely old buildings. I guess it looks like any other sunny seaside resort, doesn't it? When the sun is shining. Loading bay. I'm going to offload you. We'll call it that. We'll say we're loading, won't we? I don't have my normal specs, so I'm going to keep my glasses on. I just noticed a Marco Pierre White Steakhouse Bar and Grill there. I saw his thing down in Dover. He's got a fish and chip shop. Marco Pierre White. Okay, what was that? Caple Le Ferne to Folkestone, because I remembered little cottage GB had said, I hope you do some more Folkestone drives. That's it for today. I'm not going to do any more. Next time you see me, I won't be in a green t-shirt. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Drive with care.